Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from .comtruths.com, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to import a contact list in Zenler using a CSV file. Before we start doing this, I want you to know that if you're transferring your contacts from a separate software, there is a way for you to export the contacts that you have currently. You can download it via CSV and upload it on the next one that you're going to use. So this time we're going to use Zenler. Okay, but before we do all that, once you're in Zenler, you can click on email broadcast, click email list here, and let's pretend you don't have anything on the list yet. You can create a list here of your contacts, okay, because you can sort them later on. Uh, so what I have here is this one. I have three lists basically. So we are uploading the CSV file on this very first one that I have. As you can see, it has 0 members. So to do that, you click on this edit icon here, the one at the center, under actions, and then you can click on import contacts here. Now you're gonna upload. So just to show you, when I exported the file that I have on my previous software or anything that you have on the list, it looks like this. Okay. However, like what I mentioned earlier, Zenler, it prefers a specific format, arrangement of the CSV for it to be uploaded or for it to be accepted. As you can see here, there's an example that you can download so you can see it. Because when I tried to directly upload the one I have earlier, the one I showed you, I got an error. See, it says the format's not correct. So what you can do is you can follow the format, the sample, which is looks like this. So I followed it. I mapped the contacts, first name, last name, email. You can add any information, all right, because you can map them out later on. I'll show you. So let's select this correct CSV that I downloaded already for you. There you go. We can map out first name, last name, of course, and the rest of the information if you want to add it on the CSV. And then click next, import as feed, or if you have any option that you want to put. And for me, I'll put this as a tag finish. There you go. It's now importing. So import in progress. So once it's done, you'll see the entire list on this specific contact list. And I hope I was able to explain that. If you have questions, feel free to contact us back. And I wish you have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.